Hi, George Newart from Trusted Rentals here. Today we're making a demonstrator video of my latest acquisition to the rental fleet. It's a Kobelco 115 SR. It's a 31,000 pound machine. It's very similar to the 312. Weight class is about the same. Today we're making a demonstrator video showing it loading my 10-wheel dump truck. Loads are pretty easy. Not much effort. So it's good reach. Kevin built himself a little pad right there. Takes about 26 buckets to fill the machine, to fill the dump truck. Clearing a new house site right here, Hanover, New Hampshire. My skid steer is also working. Just grubbing out the top layer, getting all the grass and hay and loam out of the field, scraping off the top 6 inches, piling it up. We're going to load it into the dump truck and then back it up. You can see the tracks right there. Back it up right to where we're dumping, over there. Just a bunch of swilly woods dirt. Not really used for much. Could screen it out when we get done. Reuse some of it. But this is a pretty nice machine. Nice, full size, good capacity, pretty good volume machine. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.